May separation pay ba si resign employee? Answer, my personal answer po is wala po, sir. Since nag-voluntary resign ka, ay wala kang matatanggap na separation pay. Kasi under sa labor code po, may mga grounds po yan sa separation pay. At hindi kasali po yung resigned employee. Yes, friends. So, sino ba ang mga resigned employee na makatanggap ng separation pay? Kasi po, meron pong exception or exemption sa labor code. Ito po, number one, kung meron silang collective bargaining agreement. Yes, friends, yung mga unionized na company, yung may labor union ng mga employees, tapos nandun naka-stipulate sa CBA nila or collective bargaining agreement, if mag-resign ang employee, meron silang separation pay. So with that, makatatanggap po ang mga resigned employee ng separation pay. So, in the absence of CBA, ay wala pong separation pay. Number two, company policy or practices. So, if ang company ninyo ay nagbibigay ng separation pay sa mga resigned employees before, kasi nandun sa company policy nila or practices, ay 100% po mabigyan kayo ng separation pay. Pero sad to say, or sad reality, yung ibang company po ay walang ganito na policy. So with that, wala kayong separation pay. Number three, good and generous employers. So kung meron kayo mga employers na may good heart and generous sila sa mga employees nila and up, and kung mag-resign po ang mga employees nila, meron silang binibigay na separation pay. Pero hindi po lahat ng mga employers ay ganito. Only those mga big companies or big employers. Ang pagkaalam ko, sir, if you are under sa security agency, meron kasi ako mga friends na security guard and nag-voluntary resign sila, wala silang natatanggap na separation pay. It's because wala silang ganito. Number one, CBA, Collective Bargaining Agreement. Number two, company policy or practices. And number three, good and generous employers. Alright? Hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, sir. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.